The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Highland County, southeastern Claremont County, Ross County, northwestern Pike County, southern Pickaway County, southern Fayette County, Ohio, eastern Clinton County, central Brown County, northern Adams County, until 12:15 p.m. At 11:26 a.m., radar indicated severe thunderstorms located along a line extending from Jasper Mills to Russell to Locust Ridge, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Leesburg, Washington Courthouse, Hillsboro, Greenfield, Bay Bridge, Seaman, Peebles, Kingston, Chillicothe. In addition, Blueford, Danville, Samantha, Taunton, Hamersville, New Hope, East Monroe, New Martinsburg are near the path of these severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until these storms have passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Now for the official